the Steve Ritchie Classic high speed. CPU board came in, sound section was dead. Somebody had been chasing it for a little while. They replaced the RAM without installing a socket. Super quirky no-no. They also replaced the CVSD over here. Nothing wrong with that. Biggest problem here, or the main problem, was the 6802 was dead. Could have found that out a lot easier than the trouble that somebody went through. So I also have the background soundboard installed. Let's boot it up. Normal boot and a track mode. So that's normal. Display test. Works properly. I'll let it go through each of those. There we go. And it's going to start over. Sound test. Go over. And that's all correct. I've heard that a million times. And lamp matrix test. Everything's operating properly here. Hideout. Back box controlled lamps. Next test is single lamps. I'll skip that. Coil test. So you could hear all those except for when there was a flasher going, but I was watching and the flashers operated correctly. Let's see, we got the ball shooter and the right trough. I've already tested this switch matrix on my bench and it's just fine. So the ball just went into the out hole. And switch levels, I already tested that on a bench also. And there we go, we're going to reboot. I put it on free play. We're going to play some high speed. But you'll have to come back later for that part. Thanks very much for sending the board.